Welcome, developers, to another exciting tutorial on Definer Incorporated. Today, we're delving into the world of backend development with FastAPI. In this journey, we'll cover everything from setting up your environment to optimizing request handling. So, let's jump right in. FastAPI is a Python web framework that brings together the best of both worlds. It's easy to use like Flask and fast like Node.js. As we embark on this journey, let's explore the core features that make FastAPI an excellent choice for modern backend development. In FastAPI, defining request and response models is not just a good practice, it's a game changer. By leveraging Python type hints, we ensure strong data validation and documentation. Let's dive into some best practices for creating robust models in FastAPI. As we implement request validation, we'll face challenges like handling query parameters, request bodies, and more. Fear not. I'll guide you through navigating these challenges, ensuring that your API receives and processes data reliably. Validation errors are inevitable, but how we handle them defines the user experience. In this section, we'll explore strategies for gracefully handling validation errors, providing meaningful responses, and maintaining the integrity of your API. The efficiency of your data models directly impacts the performance of your backend. Let's delve into configuring data models in FastAPI, optimizing their structure, and ensuring seamless integration with your application. FastAPI is not just another framework, it's a key player in modern backend development. In this section, we'll explore its asynchronous capabilities, dependency injection system, and how it aligns with the latest trends in the industry. To achieve seamless integration, optimizing request and response handling is crucial. Join me as we explore tips and tricks, such as caching mechanisms, asynchronous programming, and response compression, to make your FastAPI backend perform at its best. Enough theory, let's get practical. I'll walk you through live coding sessions, demonstrating how to leverage FastAPI's model and validation features in real-world scenarios. From creating endpoints to handling complex data, you'll see FastAPI in action. Every developer faces challenges, and backend development is no exception. I'll share some valuable tips, including dealing with performance bottlenecks, handling large datasets, and optimizing deployment strategies. These tips will ensure a smooth development experience with FastAPI. Solving complexity is an art. Together, we'll explore the steps to build a robust backend with FastAPI, making your applications scalable and maintainable. We've covered a wide range of topics, from the basics to advanced features of FastAPI. I hope you found this tutorial insightful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy coding!